नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज करने वाले हैं एक नया टॉपिक ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। सो द रिलेशन बिटवीन रूट्स ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन एंड कोएफिशिएंट्स। वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट द रिलेशन बिटवीन रूट्स ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन एंड कोएफिशिएंट्स। सो दोस्तों, हमको पता है कि ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0. ओके, दिस इज अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन and the roots of this quadratic equation roots is, what is the root of this quadratic equation? So you will write x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Okay, so this is the root of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So each quadratic equation having two roots. So similarly, this quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is also having two roots. One is minus b plus root upon 2a and second one is minus b minus root upon 2a. So these two roots of this quadratic equation is alpha. Alpha is equal to what? Minus b plus root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a, and second root is beta, so which is equal to minus b minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, so this is the two roots of your quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where alpha is minus b plus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a and beta is minus b minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now students, will find the sum of the roots. Okay, so sum of the roots. Okay, now sum of the roots means what? Alpha plus beta. There are two roots, alpha and beta. So sum is alpha plus beta, and this is equal to what you will get? Alpha and beta. What is alpha? Alpha is minus b plus root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a, plus beta is minus b minus root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Okay, and this is equal to, so this is the denominator of both the fraction is same, so we will take as a common 2a, and what will be in the numerator? Minus b plus root b square minus 4ac minus b plus root b square minus 4ac, and that is second one minus b minus root b square minus 4ac. Okay, so how you will add these two fractions? Because denominator is same, so we will take denominator as a common, and you will get minus b plus root b square minus 4ac plus minus b minus root b square minus 4ac. Okay, now we will cancel out these two. Okay, these two terms will cancel because having same but opposite sign. This one is plus and this one is minus. Now what we will get? Minus b, what we will get? Minus b, this will be minus 2b divided by, this is 2a. Now you will cancel out this 2 with this 2, so you will get minus b by a. Okay, so what is the sum of the roots? So sum of the roots is, that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Okay, what is sum of the roots? Alpha plus beta. So sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Now we will find the product of the roots. Okay, product of the roots. So product of the roots, products means multiplication of these two roots, that is alpha into beta. Alpha into beta. What is alpha? Alpha is minus b plus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a into what is beta? Beta is minus b minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. Now what you will get from the denominator? This is the multiplication. So 2a multiplied by 2a, this will be 4a square. Okay. This is the one bracket and this is the second bracket. So just we will write first bracket is minus b plus root b square minus 4ac. In the second bracket minus b minus root b square minus 4ac. Okay. So how we will multiply? We know that we can use from these two brackets one formula, that is a plus b and a minus b. This is a, this is b, this is a, this is b. Okay, if we term this as a and this as a b, okay, this as a and this is a b. So here is a formula, here plus is here, this is minus. Okay, so what is a plus b and a minus b? You know, a square minus b square. Okay, a plus b and a minus b is a square minus b square is the formula. So what is a? A is minus b, and what is b? Root b square minus 4ac. So now we will use the formula, that is what? A square minus b square. So this is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So this is equal to a square means what? A is minus b, so minus b the square, minus b square means what? What is b? Root b square minus 4ac the whole square and whole divided by 4a square. Okay. Now this is equal to. Now what is minus b square? Minus b square will be plus b square. Okay. Minus b square is plus b square. This square and root will cancel out and minus b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square, and which is equal to b square. Now I will open the bracket, b square minus 4ac, and here is we are having minus sign, so sign of both the terms will change. This will be minus b square and this minus 4ac becomes 4 plus 4ac and whole divided by 4a square. Okay. Now what will cancel out? This plus b square and minus b square will cancel out. You will get 4ac whole divided by 4a square. Now 4 and 4 will be cancel out. 1a and here second a is cancel out because this is a square. So 1a will cancel out. So here you are having a, 1a remaining. A से cancel हो जाएगा, 1a यहाँ पे रहेगा. So finally what you will get? What is alpha into beta? So alpha into beta is equal to what? C upon a. Okay, C upon a. So this is the product of the roots. So product of the roots is what? C upon a. And what is sum of the roots? And sum of the roots is minus b by a. Okay. So I will write sum of the roots and products of the roots. So sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta, is equal to minus b by a, and product of the roots, that is alpha into beta, is equal to c by a. Okay. Now the page number 46. Okay. On the page number 46, one activity is given to you. You have to find out the sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta, and product of the roots, that is alpha into beta. Okay. First we will find out the value of a, b and c. So what is a here? A is 10. What is b? B is also 10. And what is c? C is 1. Okay. So this is the quadratic equation, 10x square plus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0. And we will compare this with standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And you will get a is equal to 10, b is equal to 10, and c is equal to 1. Now we will find the value of alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is what? What is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Okay. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So what is b? B is 10. So we will write minus 10 upon a is 10. So just you will divide, so you will get -1. So value of alpha plus beta is -1. How will find the value of alpha into beta? Alpha into beta is what? C by A. Okay. When you divide C by A, so you will get the value of alpha into beta. And what is C? C is 1. And what is A? A is 10. So value of alpha into beta is equal to 1 by 10. So इस प्रकार से आपको सॉल्व करना था activity which is given on the page number 46. Okay students, so this is the video based on the relation between roots of the quadratic equation and coefficient. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया। दोस्तों आज करने वाले हैं इस लेक्चर में how to write the quadratic equation when roots are given. Okay, so to obtain a quadratic equation when roots are given, so let alpha and beta are the roots of given quadratic equation in variable x. Okay, so alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation in variable x. मतलब कि कोई quadratic equation है जिसमें वेरिएबल क्या है x है और उसका रूट क्या है अल्फा और बीटा. So how will write? We'll write x is equal to, therefore we'll write x is equal to alpha or x is equal to beta. Clear? What you will write? X is equal to alpha or x is equal to beta. Therefore, transfer this x minus alpha is equal to 0 or x minus beta this is equal to 0. Okay, x minus alpha is equal to 0 or x minus beta is equal to 0. Therefore, you will write product of these two is equal to 0. X minus alpha into x minus beta this is equal to 0. Okay, now we will multiply this. How to expand? This is x, will multiply x minus beta, this is minus alpha and this is x minus beta and this is equal to 0. So simplify, therefore you will get x square minus x beta minus alpha x minus minus plus alpha into beta this is equal to 0. Therefore this will be x square minus, in these terms we will take x as a common. Okay, so when we take minus x as a common, so you will get what? From here you will get beta, and because of this minus sign this becomes plus alpha x plus alpha into beta this is equal to 0. यहां से हमने क्या कॉमन लिया है? x को माइनस x कॉमन लिया, माइनस x कॉमन लिया, तो यहां से क्या आएगा? बीटा, क्योंकि माइनस कॉमन लिया तो बीटा प्लस हो जाएगा और अल्फा भी क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस हो जाएगा. थोड़ा सा इसको अच्छी तरीके से लिख लेते हैं. x स्क्वायर, therefore x स्क्वायर माइनस अल्फा प्लस बीटा x प्लस अल्फा इंटू बीटा इज इक्वल टू 0. ओके, सो इसको मैंने कैसे लिख लिया? बीटा प्लस अल्फा है तो इसको लिखा कैसे? अल्फा प्लस बीटा. ओके, सो एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस अल्फा प्लस बीटा एक्स प्लस अल्फा इंटू बीटा इज इक्वल टू 0. ओके, सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. ओके, दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. When roots of the quadratic equations are given to you, you can easily find the quadratic equation. Now on the page number 48, two activities are given. In first activity, addition of the roots. Addition is what? That is alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is given 10. Alpha plus beta is equal to 10. And product of the roots, that is alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is equal to 9. So first activity, what is given? Alpha plus beta is equal to 10. Sorry, alpha plus beta is equal to 10. And alpha into beta is equal to 9. You have to frame the quadratic equation. So what will be alpha plus beta? 10 alpha into beta 9. So simply here you will write 10 and here you will write 9 and this is equal to 0. So quadratic equation is what? X square minus 10x plus 9 is equal to 0. What? X square minus 10x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now in the second activity, what is given to you? That is alpha is 2 and beta is 2. So x square, here is alpha is 2 and beta is 2, and here alpha into beta 2, alpha is 2 and beta is 2. So according to the formula, that is x square minus alpha plus beta, x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. So what is alpha 2, what is beta 2? So x square minus, in bracket we will write 2 plus 2, bracket close, x plus 2 into 2, that is this is alpha and this is beta, and this is equal to 0. Now this is x square, so this will be 1x square, okay. Now write minus 2 plus 2, what, 4x plus 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, and this is equal to 0. So what is the second quadratic equation? X square minus 4x plus 4, this is equal to 0. So this is the solution of activity 1 and activity 2, which is given on the page number 48. Okay students, so इस प्रकार से आपको सॉल्व करना था एक्टिविटी 1 एंड एक्टिविटी 2. सो जब कभी भी आपको रूट्स दिया होगा, किसी भी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का रूट्स दिया होगा, जैसे अल्फा और बीटा दिया होगा, तो डायरेक्ट आप क्या करेंगे, अल्फा और बीटा की वैल्यू यहाँ पे पुट करके इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे और आपको क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन मिल जाएगा. जैसे कि मान लीजिए यहाँ पे अल्फा प्लस बीटा 10 दिया है, डायरेक्टली दिया है, सम ऑफ द रूट्स 10 दिया है, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द रूट्स 9 दिया है, डायरेक्टली आप डालिए यहाँ पे 10 और यहाँ पे 9, तो आपको मिल जाएगा एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 10x plus 9 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Okay, so I hope आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. So thank you for watching my videos. Have a nice day. आइए दोस्तों करते हैं ऑन पेज नंबर 49. लेट्स रिमेंबर. फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज if alpha and beta are roots of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, so first alpha is equal to minus p plus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a and beta is minus p minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Second thing, alpha plus beta, which is called sum of the roots, which is equal to minus b by a, and alpha into beta, which is called product of the roots, which is equal to c by a. Now second point, nature of the roots of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is depends on the value of discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. Hence b square minus 4ac is called discriminant and is denoted by Greek letter delta. Third thing, if delta is 0, means delta is what? Discriminant. If delta is 0, roots are real and equal. If delta is greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. If the value of delta is less than 0, roots are not real. Okay. And fourth point, you have to remember the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. Okay students,